Today in this video I'll be talking about crockery and cutlery. In this video I'll be demonstrating how to set up a party buffet table at home. Those of you watching my video for the first time, I am Deepashri Rao Mohan, a passionate crafter, pet parent and a homemaker. Without wasting much of your time, let's begin now.
I am sharing few tips which I follow to set up a buffet table whenever I have guests at home.
Guys, the first tip for all of you is please plan the menu well in advance. As I know Ashwin and her family, they are coming home for the first time. They belong to South India, so I have planned to have a South Indian menu. My planned menu for this party is this. I request you to do shopping well in advance. This saves lot of time. Next thing is to please decide the table layout.
I set up the buffet table a day prior to the party so that I have enough time for cooking on party day. The layout being demonstrated is for a gathering of 4 people. Firstly, decide the area where the buffet table has to be placed, like against a wall or to the center of the dining hall. Please make sure there is an adequate space for the guests to move around and serve themselves. Next, cover the table with a dining cloth and start placing base for crockery and the dishes to be laid out subsequently. As you can see here, I am using wooden coasters. Advantage of wooden coasters is that they are durable and are also heat resistant. Place the coasters or base as the size and sequence of layout of the dishes. You can add 2 or more coasters as decorative pieces at the corners. Here I am using wooden logs of different heights to place chutney and side dishes. This helps in creation of stepwise setup for easy visibility of the dishes. This also saves on the space on the table and adds extra zing to the table.
Next tip is about decoration. Here in this video, I have used artificial flowers for decorations. Since it's a winter time, I did not have a natural flowers with me. In case if you're having a natural flowers, please do use natural flowers for decoration. And please do add up some tea light candles. This gives an extra elegance to the table decor. In addition to that, I have used reusable bottles. I have decorated my bottles using decoupage technique. I'll be leaving a link in the description box how to make a decoupage on bottles. Kindly do watch my other videos also. It is better to place the water, glasses and coasters along with them well in advance. This saves lot of time.
Now I am placing fruit tray and vada plate. Now I am placing bowls for sambar or dal, following which I am placing pre-washed and dried cutlery, crockery, tissue papers or cloth napkins. Next I am placing serving bowls, serving spoons according to decided menu. Make sure also to keep serving spoons and a quarter plate to rest. Place serving spoons in advance as it saves lot of time on the day of the party. Here I am giving you a simple trick. Place name tags or chits in the bowls well in advance. Again, this makes laying the dishes or that last minute changes much easier and seamless. It also helps in checking out if any of the dishes is left out.
Next, let's talk about sweet dish.
Try to place spoons and bowls before. Since I love baking, I definitely add cake in the menu always, which is also to the liking of the most of the guests.
Here in this video, I have prepared Biscuit Delight. It's an easy recipe. Those of you looking for the recipe of this Biscuit Delight, I'll be leaving the link in the description box. I suggest all of you, please do prepare sweet dish one day well in advance. If there are more number of guests, then it saves lot of time. You can prepare something like gajar ka halwa, gulab jamun, always better to keep the table layout ready well in advance. This saves lot of time. As a host, we'll be always busy in cooking on the same day, decorating the home. If everything is placed well in advance before the guest arrives, then we can also spend some time with the guest and entertain them. Last, be a good host, give lots of love and attention to your guest. Please entertain them, make the time more memorable. Guys, we have come to the end of this video. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up, leave a comment, share this video among your loved ones, and please subscribe to my channel. Stay connected with me throughout my YouTube journey. Eat healthy, be fit, be strong, and be independent. Thanks for watching my videos. Bye bye. Take care.